Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah, go to Jannah, go to Jannah. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. When we are leaving home, say salam. When we come back, say salam. Afshu salam, our Nabi said, don't feel bad and don't be afraid. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. When you are drinking, always sit down. Smile throughout the day and don't be down. If someone gives you any type of food, don't make fault and don't be rude. Lick your fingers when you are done. Following the Sunnah, it's so fun. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Tahadu tahabu, our Nabi said, exchange small gifts like pencil and pen. Respect each other's and be nice with each other. Islam teaches us we are brothers and sisters. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Allah is watching, so don't say a lie. Always say the truth and don't be shy. Shaitan is our enemy. Allah Ta'ala says, stay away from the bad ways and choose the right way. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. I cannot tell you how many good ways. Just follow the Sunnah, you're in the right way. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Follow the Sunnah, follow the Sunnah. Inshallah we will go to Jannah. Go to Jannah, go to Jannah.